Have you ever had one of those pounding headaches that just completely ruins your day? We've all been there. You're trying to focus on work or enjoy time with family and friends, but that throbbing pain just won't quit. Before you reach for the over-the-counter pills, let's explore some natural remedies that can provide relief and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Today, we're diving deep into 5 proven methods that can help you combat headaches without relying solely on medication. Peppermint oil. It's not just for freshening breath. This powerful essential oil contains menthol, which has a cooling and soothing effect that can help ease headache pain. When applied topically, peppermint oil can create a tingling sensation that distracts from the headache and helps reduce inflammation. Now let's talk about how to use it. For tension headaches, gently massage a few drops of diluted peppermint oil onto your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck. The invigorating aroma alone can be therapeutic, promoting relaxation and easing tension. But hold on, it gets even better. Inhaling peppermint oil can also be incredibly effective for sinus headaches. Add a few drops to a diffuser or a bowl of steaming water and take slow, deep breaths, allowing the menthol to open up your sinuses and relieve that pressure. It's like a breath of fresh air, literally. Remember, essential oils are potent, so always dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil before applying it to your skin. A little goes a long way, and you don't want to overdo it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? Well, studies have shown that peppermint oil can be as effective as over-the-counter pain relievers for tension headaches. It's a natural, safe, and effective alternative that can provide much-needed relief. So, ditch the pills and embrace the power of peppermint oil. It's a game-changer for headache sufferers. Acupressure. It's like acupuncture without the needles. This ancient Chinese practice involves applying pressure to specific points on your body to stimulate energy flow and promote healing. And guess what? It's incredibly effective for relieving headaches. We're going to focus on 3 key acupressure points that can make a world of difference: Union Valley, Li4, Drilling Bamboo, B2, and Gates of Consciousness, GB20. Let's start with Union Valley, Li4. This point is located between the thumb and index finger. To activate it, use your thumb and index finger of your opposite hand to firmly press on this point for a few minutes. You'll feel a slight ache or tingling sensation. That's a good sign. Next up, we have Drilling Bamboo, B2. These points are located at the inner edges of your eyebrows, where the bridge of your nose meets the ridge of your brow bone. Using both index fingers, apply firm pressure for a few minutes, visualizing the tension releasing from your head. Finally, we have Gates of Consciousness, GB20. These points are located at the base of your skull, in the hollows on both sides of your spine. Use your thumbs to apply firm, circular pressure for a few minutes, imagining a calming wave washing over you. Think of acupressure as a way to tap into your body's natural healing abilities. By stimulating these specific points, you're sending signals to your nervous system to relax, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. It's like a mini massage for your headache. The best part? You can do acupressure anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at your desk, on the train, or relaxing at home, take a few minutes to activate these points and experience the soothing relief they provide. Magnesium. It's not just for strong bones. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including nerve function, muscle relaxation, and blood sugar control. And guess what? It's a powerhouse for preventing headaches. Low magnesium levels are linked to headaches and migraines, so ensuring you're getting enough of this vital mineral is key. Luckily, there are plenty of delicious magnesium-rich foods that can help you boost your intake and keep headaches at bay. Let's start with leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with magnesium, along with other essential vitamins and minerals. Aim to incorporate a serving of leafy greens into your meals every day. Next up, we have nuts and seeds, a crunchy and satisfying snack that's also a great source of magnesium. Almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are all excellent choices. Keep a bag of mixed nuts handy for a healthy and headache-fighting snack. Don't forget about dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, is a good source of magnesium, along with antioxidants that can protect your cells from damage. Indulge in a square or two of dark chocolate as a guilt-free treat. Other magnesium-rich foods include avocados, bananas, black beans, and fatty fish like salmon and tuna. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be giving your body the magnesium it needs to function optimally and keep those pesky headaches away. If you're concerned about your magnesium levels, talk to your doctor about getting a blood test. They can also recommend magnesium supplements if needed. Remember, a balanced diet rich in magnesium is your first line of defense against headaches. Hydration, it's the foundation of good health. Our bodies are made up of mostly water, so it's no surprise that staying properly hydrated is crucial for every aspect of our well-being, including preventing headaches. Dehydration is a common trigger for headaches, especially tension headaches and migraines. When we don't drink enough fluids, our brain can actually shrink slightly, pulling away from the skull and causing pain. It's like a drought for your brain. So, how much water should you be drinking? The general rule of thumb is 8 glasses a day, but individual needs vary depending on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. Listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. But it's not just about guzzling water all day long. You can also stay hydrated by consuming hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and leafy greens. These foods contain a high percentage of water and can contribute to your overall fluid intake. Pay attention to the color of your urine. It's a good indicator of your hydration status. Pale yellow urine means you're well hydrated, while dark yellow or amber urine indicates dehydration. If your urine is consistently dark, it's time to up your fluid intake. Make hydration a habit. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on it regularly. Set reminders on your phone or use a hydration tracking app to help you stay on top of your water intake. Remember, hydration is not a quick fix for an existing headache, but it's a powerful preventive measure. By staying consistently hydrated, you're giving your body the best chance to ward off headaches and keep your brain happy and healthy. Herbal tea. It's like a warm hug for your headache. Certain herbal teas have soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve headache pain and promote relaxation. Let's start with ginger tea. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce pain and nausea, making it an excellent choice for headaches, especially migraines. Steep a few slices of fresh ginger root in hot water for a comforting and effective headache remedy. Chamomile tea is another winner. This gentle herb is known for its calming and sleep-promoting effects. It can help ease tension headaches and promote relaxation, allowing you to unwind and find relief from headache pain. Sip on a cup of chamomile tea before bedtime for a restful night's sleep and a headache-free morning. Peppermint tea, with its refreshing and cooling properties, can also be beneficial for headaches. The menthol in peppermint can help open up sinuses and relieve headache pain associated with congestion. Enjoy a cup of peppermint tea after a long day, or when you feel a headache coming on. Remember, herbal teas are generally safe, but it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before incorporating them into your headache management plan, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. So, brew yourself a cup of herbal tea and let the soothing properties work their magic. It's a natural and enjoyable way to find relief from headaches and promote overall well-being. So, there you have it. 5 proven natural remedies that can help you banish headaches and reclaim your day. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you experience persistent or severe headaches, consult with your healthcare provider to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Give these natural remedies a try and see what works best for you. Everyone is different, and what provides relief for one person may not work for another. Experiment and find your go-to headache busters. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Have you tried any of these remedies before? What are your favorite natural ways to alleviate headaches? Let's build a community of headache warriors and support each other on the journey to a pain-free life.